and airplanes were still in his hands. Girl, his mother, she hardly said anything. All she had to do was to say that beautiful, beautiful Lord's Prayer. I will go wherever you want me. I will do whatever you want me to do. Like somewhere old and Timothy, here I am, send me Lord. I will do whatever you want me. I will go wherever you want me to go. Like Daniel in the den of lions,